I'll tell you, Carvana really needs a faster server. Something I noticed. Oh, finally, it's doing it. It's the only bad thing. It's a little slow and glitchy sometimes. So now, like every other car dealership, they're trying to basically throw in some warranty that I don't need. So I can't unselect for some reason this $2 a month, and I don't want this $10 a month. You know what? Hold on. Let me see what happens when I do the $10 a month. I don't want any coverage. The car's already covered under TDI warranty. See, look, I can't click out of any of these things. So I got these nerds here trying to figure this out. It would be great if we could move forward. Yeah, so much for buying everything online quickly. A lot of verifying needed. Contracts. In order to help us begin verification, you must sign your contracts. I don't know why it's slow, though. You know, it should be like quick, fast. There you go, DocuSign, baby. So here it is, delivered. Looks pretty good so far. We'll check it out, though. See what the deal is. Looks clean. That's what I like. So me, the car hater, of course I already find something wrong with the car. On the other side, both tires are kind of wearing unevenly, and they're kind of shot. This side is not bad at all, but the other side is actually a little bit messed up. So we'll see. He's going to see if they could actually do something about it. I don't know about these brakes either. Jesus Christ. So let's see. He just looked over my car, and he's amazed how clean it is. And he's like, I said, listen, you should buy my car. It's that clean. So he's going to actually open up a case for these tires, because I'm not liking the way they're looking, okay? It's just too flush. Those things look a little dry rotted too. You gotta remember, a lot of these cars just sat because of the Dieselgate scandal. All right, let's see how she drives. This is the first time I'm gonna drive it. Check it out. I like it, you know, I love diesel. I mean, it's not a very exciting car or anything like that. It's just the fact that, I miss my Jetta, you know, because I had a Jetta and it was great. All right, let's see. I want to see how it oh, wow, full tank of gas. No way. There she goes down there. Real nice guy with the truck, though. But that's it. She's outie, like a 5,000. All right, car hater test drive. Finally got a chance to, like, really drive it. So, I already found out, you know, it needs 2 tires. The guy took pictures of it. They're going to get back to me, see what the deal is. Back brakes look a little shitty. The rotors. So one of the big problems I see is this. The vent, it's on high. This one's hot. This one's cold. That side of the car is cold. I've seen that happen in a lot of vehicles. Do I really want to start with all this crap? I can give it back in 7 days. I got to say, the car drives pretty good. No complaints there. It's like, you know, it's got some scratches, whatever. But for the most part, pretty clean car. It's rides good. You know, how many miles? Wait, where'd the miles go? What did I do here? I think it has like, what, 42,000 miles, something like that? Wherever the heck it went. I don't know. So I'm still kind of like setting this car up. I got to figure out how to set up the clock. But yeah, I think it has like 42,000 miles on it. I don't know. We'll see. Comes with a full tank of gas. I like that. Comes with a little Carvana cup holder. Heat's good out of this side. The heat's coming out of here, even though I got it to the floor. But we'll see. You know what? It has some warranty for like 100 days, and what they do is there's like a $50 deductible. I shouldn't have to pay shit, but we'll see how it goes when they give me a call on the tires. I'll just say, listen, you know, what's up with these back brakes? Probably going to throw it on the lift for inspection and just see what my guy says, if it would pass inspection legitimately or not. It's not like I can't get a sticker, but, you know, look, when you buy a car, yes, you have to put money into it. The thing about it is this. I went this route on purpose so I didn't have to do any of this shit, because that's what Carvana is supposed to be about, you know? And there's a big-ass checklist that supposedly they did all these things with it. They replaced a couple things, but I'm not seeing that. You know, I am very technical when it comes to this stuff when I do test drives and everything else. I understand. Maybe they should fucking hire me to look over cars and find everything that's wrong. My eyes go to everything that is wrong, not anything that is right. That is the whole point of me. This car right now has disgusting Continentals on it. Garbage fucking tire. Always has been. So if I do get money or whatever, I'll switch out all 4. I hate these tires. They bubble. They wear fast. They're just a garbage tire. So maybe things will work out. It's a little weird driving a car too, I have to admit. You know, I feel pretty low down. I don't know if I like it. You know, the car, you know, for being an American-German car made in Tennessee, I mean, it moves like butter. very smooth. I love diesel. It's got nice torque. You know, this is not a car. Why'd I get this? Well, because this is not a car I'll beat on. I'm not going to beat on this car. Not at all. Just going to let it take me with the boost lightly, and that's it. You know, this isn't a race car. I know it isn't. And that's the whole point of kind of me driving this car. It's a down low car. It's silver. It doesn't get dirty. It's great. We'll see what happens. This is just a little short take. Rotors look real bad too. They're all grooved. Look at this. You know, like I said, the problem is these cars were sitting out a long time. Yeah, look at this back one too. 7 days, 7 days. What does one do? It's a shame too. We'll see what they come back with. You can see in the front, the paint is dirty. I just wiped it real quick. And what you could really tell is, check this out, guys. This car was sitting for a long time. Just like a lot of them. You could, even in here, you could see all, like, you know, when a car sits underneath a tree or something like that. But I already knew this. Yeah, even down here, you could see that the car was sitting outside. Just like a lot of them. This car might have been sitting in Michigan or something like that. It's just the nature of the beast with this Dieselgate. You can see in the front, the paint is dirty. I just wiped it real quick. And what you could really tell is, check this out, guys. This car was sitting for a long time. Just like a lot of them. You could, even in here, you could see all, like, you know, when a car sits underneath a tree or something like that. But I already knew this. Yeah, even down here, you could see that the car was sitting outside. Just like a lot of them. This car might have been sitting in Michigan or something like that. It's just the nature of the beast with this Dieselgate. These guys are batting 1,000, man. I mean, I hate myself. I find everything wrong. All these rotors are bad. I heard a little noise in the back, right? They resprayed this bumper. Look, they never even put this thing on right. They didn't even put the clips on. Way to go, Carvana.